Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over cryptocurrency market again. As those charts are out there on Twitter, they're going over. Let me see. I got my chart. I put my chart on there, and how Bitcoin is going to drop like a rock. I don't think so, guys. Not yet. Not yet. I think it's got a little bit more to go. But I put this chart on here to see. See, this is the 2-week MACD, and pretty good cross. The last time you bought Bitcoin, I think it was the last 2 times you bought Bitcoin on a bullish cross when it was down here. So you can have a bullish cross. You can't see it on my chart, but you can have a bullish cross when it's above the 0 area, but when it's below the 0 area and you have that bullish momentum, this bullish divergence right there, usually that was a good time to buy, guys. Oh, but this time's different. Interest rates, inflation, Fed, Powell, all kinds of other stuff going on. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. We shall see, guys. I'm setting my bets up, going in planning strategy for 2023 for longs. Okay? So, and I think I'm going to be right. Just saying. So here's the deal right here. Here's Synthetix. I like Synthetix, guys, because it's been in a correction since February 21. So it's been almost 2 years, and it's finally getting a nice reaction off the bottom. Starting to like that. That was actually a pretty good trade, 68% on this one. And then you see Synthetix is doing what it's supposed to do on this daily chart. Nice amount of bearish divergence right there. That is what you want to see. Then you go start looking for shorts on assets like this, okay? If you perhaps you want to do something like that, guys. So the reason I'm going over the Synthetix too is nobody's talking about it. Nobody wants to hear about it. Oh, what a joke that asset is, man. It ain't doing anything, man. It's just been hanging around since February 21. It's all going to 0, right? Okay. So let's see. There's a couple other ones too that are definitely worthy of attention. Definitely worthy of attention. So let me go here. Aptos making that run up too. So I told you Aptos probably got pop up a little bit more, and there it goes. Look at that. Boop, going right up there. How much higher is it going to go? It's finishing up, obviously. You can see in this daily chart. Daily bearish divergence, that strong divergence, it would have to go up and take that out to continue running. However, here's the deal with Aptos, guys. Aptos has nice waves. It has nice waves. Let me put on the candle. Those are nice waves right there, guys. It came back around and nice dip down here. And this reaction off of here, that's really nice. So the deal is with Aptos, guys, is I don't know what Aptos is doing. I haven't looked at the fundamentals because personally, I really didn't care until I saw this. Now it's time to go check on the fundamentals. If perhaps you want to get into when it's baby back down there, possibly. Don't know yet if you want to get into that in 2023. Okay? That's how you do it. Let me see. There's another one too I was going to check that had a really, really nice reaction. I can't think of it off the top of my head. Oh, yeah, this one too. It really surprised me. This one right here. HBAR. HBAR. Check this out. That's a serious good reaction off the bottom, guys. And look at that. No divergence on the daily. Is it going to continue to run? What did this little bad boy do, man, off the bottom here? 70%. Not bad. Not bad for HBAR. So there's some guys that were talking about this coin, and they're like, oh, yeah, it's going to do really well. And I was like, I'm not really impressed with it. But right now, guys, you can't ignore something like that. Let's see. It did a wave over here, February of 20, and then what was it? November. So 6 months it was in a wave too. It could be the same thing with over here with HBAR, guys. Another deal. Nice reaction off the bottom. Okay. You want to have more than one asset. Okay. I know some people get married to their asset. HBAR. They get on Twitter. It's all about HBAR or whatever one it is. XRP or Solana, et cetera, et cetera. You want to have some in your arsenal for a setup, okay? Here's the reason why, especially in the cryptocurrency market, is that HBAR could go into a wave, and it could be stuck in a wave too for quite some time, guys, if you think about that. Like, it could be all over here to April. But on the other hand, you might have an asset over here, like, let me go back over to Aptos, that might just be in a second wave correction, and it might end it, say, somewhere a little bit earlier, perhaps. Okay. So then, like, Aptos blasts up into wave one, and it does another second over here. So now it's in a 1-2-1-2, and it does this correction over there in April, and then it can take off into that wave, and then HBAR just might have been done finishing its complete second wave correction. So you see how that works, guys? I'm just showing you. That's why you want to plan and strategize. Okay, now we're going to go to Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. You know, everybody's in their charts out there. Man, these guys, man, they really crack me up sometimes. You know, when they're right, it's awesome. I know it's when they're right. You know, this guy's over there on Twitter and going, oh, yeah, guys, you know, I'm ready to go. Boom. It's because it's going right back down there. Don't think so, guys. Let me put it on a line chart, get rid of those wicks. And I'll show you. Let me go to a 1 hour chart. Here we go. 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. Okay. 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, it's taking out that, it's tempting to take that out. So you got a couple options with Bitcoin here. 45-minute chart. Let me go down to lower time frame. 45-minute chart. You see this wave right here on this 45-minute chart. You take the line chart off. Sometimes you got to do that. You know, you put the candle bodies on and you think, okay, what was this? And then you take them off. You know, where's Bitcoin going by? This low or this low? Is this a double? If that's a double bottom, think about that, double bottom and this low. But here's the thing. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with bullish divergence down there. So more than likely, in my opinion, it actually did finish it right there. 1, 2, 3, fourth wave bounce, and it finished right there is what it did probably, guys. That's why it's going up. Okay. And this was the flat. This was a flat right here. And Bitcoin can go up to 21.6, 21.8 or something like that and finish off this wave is what I'm thinking, because this is getting awfully big compared to this wave. You know, you can't rule out maybe it's going to go up in here like A, B, C, all the way back up to here to swing back down. But I still think it has to pull off that right there. And then you get your divergence. Let's see, go to an 8-hour chart. And then it's down here a little bit. And then like what was that asset Synthetix did right down there, guys? You check this out. I'm going to put this together for you. You can see. And then back up there a little bit better, right? You know, back up there in the RSI, and then you have your divergence set up. And then if you see that in this area, that's where you would short up there. Okay. People are getting too early into them, I think. I think they're too early into them. Because you see this wave down here. I'll show you guys something right here. Is that you see that wave? That wave is going to be like similar to that wave up there. And this whole thing is the third right here, guys, of this. So you have your 1, 2, 3, 4 flat and bust off that 5. It just, now you have to realize too, it might just go right past there. 21, 3, 4, 6 or something like that. And then do a correction. And then this over here is what I would be expecting. Your wave back down to your 19, 18, or, you know, something like that. And then this correction right here will be with this correction, more than likely. This right here, this is what you want to see, okay? This is what you want to pay attention to get more answers. You want to see this correction, okay? You want to see this over here. Obviously, if it pops up here and it comes down in A, B, C, there you go. Buy right there. Okay. That's what you want to see. That would be your buy. Boom. Over there. A go long futures account. I'll be doing that over there. Okay. That's what I would be doing. However, you see it break certain levels. Okay. This level right here. This is what you want to be paying attention to. You want to take that whole third wave. So if this is 1, 2, and that's going to be a 3, 4, you want to take your fib. You want to take the whole wave, okay? And let's say it gets up there to 21.7, and this will be the area, that 50%. The 18.8 and then also 18,659. So that area right there, you want to be checking it out. Take it off log 2, put it on linear 19, and then also the 18,521. So about 18,500 more or less, guys. So like right around low 18s, you see candle bodies below there. And then in that instance, you probably like, okay, maybe this was an ABC, like so. This possibly could have been A, B, C, and then it's going to come down to correct if you see numbers like that, okay? Down in there. Low 18s is what I would be expecting. Start seeing candle bodies, daily candle closes below that area. Then you have to go, okay, this was maybe a fake out, and then boom. Until then, nobody has any idea. You got to wait for the correction. That's why even these right here, like these are awesome, right? This is awesome, man. This is just so awesome. This wave right here, you get information, but you get more information too, right? You learn more. You learn a lot about this wave right now, right? But you're going to learn more if it does that, okay? If it does that, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.